to the leaf table. My name is Elena and today I will show you the easiest way to make triple chocolate mousse. So let's get started. First I am going to add 2 cups of heavy cream to my mixer. Okay, and I'll add 3 scoops of powdered sugar. Start on slow speed, that way you don't make a mess with your powdered sugar. Take it out of the mixture once it becomes fluffy enough. So this is kind of the consistency you're looking for. Next, I have here 3 bars of chocolate and I'm going to chop them up in small chunks. I am going to add 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream and I'm putting it in the microwave for about 2 minutes until it comes to a boil to melt my chocolate. So I have here a cup of dry roasted peanuts. I crushed them in small chunks. And then I have here for decoration a cup of fresh raspberries and some fresh meat. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did so, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell button for further notifications. notifications on my new videos.